Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are diving into one of the most versatile platforms out there, ProProfs Knowledge Base, the LMS software that you need whether you're an educator, trainer, team leader, or just someone looking to create powerful learning content. This tool has everything you need. From building interactive quizzes, collecting feedback with surveys, to organizing your company's brain power with a searchable knowledge base, ProProfs makes it super easy even if you're not a techie. So let's begin by going to the official website, which is going to be ProProfsKnowledgeBase.com. On the top corner, you have two options. You can log in using your credentials or sign up for an account, which is all I have to do is provide all the information needed. But let me tell you, at the moment, you need to provide a work email. They do not accept a business email or a personal email. So what will happen if you don't have one? Well, don't worry, we got you, because it's not the end of the world. We can learn so much about ProProfs by just going to the website. Now, you would notice that on the top right corner, it has 6 sections: the create knowledge base, features, pricing, solutions, resources, and help. We're gonna go to the pricing for now because this is one of the most important plan. Again, the free plan comes $0 per month, but the thing is, you need to require to get or use a work email. So by this moment, I assume that you do not have any of the following emails. So if you go to the business, that's going to be $49 per month with an annual billing. For monthly, that's going to be $79 per month. And you have to get all these perks and benefits that you can take advantage. Now, we're going to the features. We're going to discuss all of these. Now, let's talk about the features, which includes the AI writer. Now, what is it? Basically, it uses the ProProfs built-in AI writing assistant to create, enhance, or summarize content automatically. It helps speed up documentation, writing by suggesting relevant content, correcting grammar, and of course, optimizing readability. Not only that, one of the main features of ProProfs is going to be the content authoring. Now, this will help you focus on how to create, edit, and manage content in your knowledge base. All right. You can create articles or help pages, use templates, formatting tools, inserting media, images, and video files. You have the version control and collaboration between authors. All right. They also offer the branding and design. Now, you can customize the look and feel of your knowledge base to match your brand. So if you have your own logo and your favicon, you can add it. You can also customize your fonts and colors. You can set out layouts and themes, and of course, add custom CSS or HTML if needed. Now, we're going to go to the security, roles, and permissions. This will help you manage access control. You can define user roles like admin, editor, viewer. You can set permissions for who can view or edit specific content. You can restrict access to internal or external users, apply password protection or IP restrictions. Not only that, you have the contextual in-app help. It helps you embed articles or tooltips directly into your app or website, improving user experience by showing relevant help content exactly where and when users need it, like a little pop-up explaining a feature. Now, there's going to be a thing called search and access. This will help you focus on navigation and content discovery because, for one, you can customize the search bar. You also have the power to enable smart search suggestions, organize content with categories and tags, and of course, enable quick access via table or contents or links. Now, there's going to be a section for the reports and analytics. Don't worry, because ProProfs covers how to track knowledge base performance so that you can see which articles are most least viewed, measure success rate, identify content gaps, and of course get user feedback and ratings on articles. There's going to be a feature for the SSO or single sign-on, wherein you can connect your knowledge base with identity providers to users who can log in with one set of credentials. For example, if they are using Google Workspace, Okta, Microsoft AD, you can make access secure and seamless for your teams. You have the features for the API, wherein developers here can use APIs to automate tasks like creating or updating content, syncing user data, and of course, fetching usage analytics, which is useful for integrating the knowledge base with other systems or automating, right here, workflows. And the last is gonna be the integrations. It's very important to know that ProProfs connects with other tools such as Clarity, CrowdIn, Hotjar, Live Chat, Freshdesk, Google Analytics. Basically, if there's a lot, Google Fonts, Google Translate, Live Chat, Snap Engage, TDO, Salesforce, Jira, Discuss, Azure, Zendesk, Slack. All right. Now, if you wanted to gain more insights about ProProfs, I highly suggest you go to the resources. You have the blogs where it's kind of like a light-hearted articles which is very engaging and interactive. For example, you can go to the knowledge-based software, a buyer's guide, which is the most updated blogs. If you click on it, you will be forwarded for a few minute read. All right. So these are going to be like a simple blog about top 10 knowledge-based software, a buyer's guide for these this year 2025. You also have the option for the getting started and video tutorials. All right. So these are some of the solutions that ProProfs provide. All right. And again, if you want to start right away with ProProfs, you can do that. Click the create from scratch. All right. But this will forward you to the same option as earlier. You need to provide your work email. They do not again accept business or personal emails. And then after that, you can create your first knowledge base here in ProProfs. Now, what I highly suggest is to click the get a demo. All I have to do is again provide all the information needed. So one of the sales staff will contact you regarding about how ProProfs can help you with your needs, budget, and goals so that they can offer a tailored fit solution. But needless to say, ProProfs Knowledge Base is one of the best cloud-based tools that you can find that would help you and your businesses create online documentation, manuals, help centers, FAQs, and internal knowledge bases. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you again in the next video.